Okay, 8 left. Nice. We're getting there. All right, bud. Pick one.
4.
Number 4. Okay. You have a good feeling about number 4?
I think number 4.
Oops. Wrong click here. So, real quick here, right? So, we still need a regular battle cat.
Yeah.
And we have no tri-klops at all.
No.
All right.
So
Well,
our goal is trying to get a battle cat and a tri-klops.
yes. All right.
Yep.
Can we have no tri-klops? It's
Yeah.
crazy.
You hide.
I'm peeking so I can...
I'll tell you what to do.
Let me peek. I want to peek. Is it going? Wait.
Yeah.
Okay. I can't see. Ah! Are you gonna cover me or no? Now's the time. Ah! Evil-lyn! Okay, we now have a large collection of evil-lyns. Okay, let's take a look. This is getting a little crazy now. So we have evil-lyn that's open. We have an evil-lyn that's closed. Another evil-lyn that's closed. And then we have 2 uncommon evil-lyns.
1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 evil-lyns.
Yeah. All right. Well, hopefully, if we don't get anything else when trading opens, then we can maybe do some trades for people and see. Okay. Well, so I have a question for you. Today's Tuesday. So we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Tuesday. But Monday and Tuesday, you're going to be at Mommy's. What do we do with these 2?
Remember what we did on...
Yeah, I know. But do you want to open the last 2 when you're not here? The last 2?
No.
So we're going to have to catch up along the way, huh? All right. So you let me know when you want to open an extra one a couple times this week because we're going to have to get caught up. Because I want you to be here for the last 2. So you let me know when you want to open up an extra one.
Today.
Today? All right. Surprise. Pick one.
3.
3. Okay. If this is another common evil-lyn, I don't know what I'm going to do. We just have a collection of evil-lyns.
Yeah. Maybe our goal is to get now.
Ready?
Hide again.
Get out of here! This is getting crazy now.
Oh my God. 6 evil-lyns.
Oh my goodness. All right. Well, looks like we're building an army of evil-lyns at this point.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There we go. All right. Well, that's it. We're just going to have an army of evil-lyns. We're going to unleash all of that evil on everybody all at once. I don't know how to do that, but... Oh, my God. All right. Well, we'll be here tomorrow for our next evil-lyn.
And then the next day we'll get another evil-lyn.
There we go. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.